Are you tired of spending countless hours searching for potential customers for your business? What if there was a tool that could make that process quick and easy? ProfileMate is the ultimate Instagram growth tool that removes all the guesswork. Building an email list of hundreds to even thousands of emails every single day. With ProfileMate, you can choose any Instagram account you want. And the tool will go through the followers of that page, building an email list of users who want to be contacted. ProfileMate provides users with the interest and job descriptions of any fan page's followers. Enabling users to connect, engage, and convert them instantly. But don't just take our word for it. Let us show you ProfileMate in action. As you can see, ProfileMate is a game changer when it comes to finding potential customers for your business. With just a few clicks, you can build an email list of interested users in any niche. And here's the best part, ProfileMate allows you to reach out to these users on a mass scale instantly. And start converting them into money in the bank. Before ProfileMate, you would have had to manually sort through thousands of users a day. But with ProfileMate, you can engage with potential customers and contact them directly. Try it out for yourself and see the results in no time.